The Night Bus. The Night Bus is an easy English mystery story for you to learn English through stories while feeling a little scared. Ready? Hold your ticket tight. Don't fall asleep. Main characters. Ethan, 13 years old. Brave. Likes adventure. Leader of the group. Owen, 13 years old. Funny. Always hungry. Ethan's best friend. Noah, 12 years old. Smart. Quiet. Good at noticing things. Liam, 13 years old. Scared easily, but loyal to friends. Chapter 1. The Last Bus. It was a Friday night. Ethan, Owen, Noah, and Liam were playing games at Ethan's house. They lost track of time. At 11:45 p.m., they realized they had to get home. "It's too late to walk," said Owen. "The last bus stops near here," said Ethan. So they ran to the bus stop. Chapter 2. The Night Driver. The bus arrived at midnight. It was old and big. The lights flickered. The driver was tall, wore a black hat, and his eyes looked empty. "Where are you boys going?" he asked in a cold voice. "Home," said Ethan. The driver smiled slowly. "Get in." Chapter 3. Empty seats. The boys sat in the back. No other passengers, just them and the driver. Noah looked out the window. "It's so dark." Liam hugged his backpack. "Why is the bus so cold?" Owen joked, "Maybe it's haunted." Everyone laughed, but inside they all felt weird. Chapter 4. The First Stop. The bus stopped. A woman got on. She wore a long coat and a scarf. She sat in the front row. She didn't move. She didn't blink. Noah whispered, "Did you see her eyes?" Liam asked, "What about them?" Noah shivered. They were all white. Chapter 5. The Second Passenger. 5 minutes later, the bus stopped again. A man stepped on. He wore a suit, but no shoes. His feet were gray. He sat near the middle. Ethan watched him. The man turned his head slowly and stared back. Ethan looked away fast. Chapter 6. Strange Sounds. The bus moved again. They heard soft whispers. Owen asked, "Do you hear that?" Noah nodded. "It's coming from the front." They looked. The woman's mouth moved, but no sound came out. Only whispers inside their heads. Chapter 7. The Third Stop. The bus stopped a third time. No one got on at first. Then they heard claws tapping on the steps. A tall figure covered in a black coat walked in. Long fingers with sharp nails. It sat at the back, behind the boys. Liam squeezed Ethan's arm. "I want to get off." Chapter 8. Can we leave? Ethan stood up. He walked to the driver. "Can we get off at the next stop?" The driver didn't turn his head. "There is no next stop." "What do you mean?" The driver grinned. "You stay until the ride is over." Chapter 9. Behind Them. Back in their seats, the boys sat very still. They felt the tall figure behind them breathing. Owen whispered, "Don't look back." Noah whispered, "Why?" "Because I did. It has no face." Chapter 10. Lost Streets. The bus turned into streets they didn't know. Outside, there were no lights, no cars. Ethan said, "I don't know where we are." Liam asked, "Are we still in the city?" No one answered. Chapter 11. An idea. Noah had an idea. He said, "I have my dad's flashlight app." He turned on his phone. The screen was dead. Owen checked his. Also dead. Liam's phone. Dead. "It's the bus," Ethan said. "It killed our phones." Chapter 12. The Red Door. They noticed a small red door at the front of the bus. Ethan said, "Maybe we can jump out." Owen said, "What if we can't open it?" Noah said, "Try." They stood up, walked slowly past the strange passengers. Chapter 13. Locked. Ethan grabbed the red door handle. Pulled. Pushed. Nothing. Liam said, "Try harder." Ethan pulled again. The tall figure behind them hissed. It stood up. Chapter 14. Back to the seats. They ran back to their seats. The tall figure sat down again behind them. The woman turned her head slowly, her eyes all white, her mouth a dark hole. She smiled. Chapter 15. The driver speaks. The driver's voice boomed. "You can't leave yet, boys." Ethan asked, "Why?" The driver said, "You wanted a ride. Now you must pay the fare." Liam asked, "What fare?" The driver laughed. "A secret for a secret." Chapter 16. Secrets. Noah whispered, "What does he mean?" Ethan said, "We have to tell a secret?" And Owen asked, "And then what?" They didn't know. Chapter 17. First secret. The driver said, "Ethan, your secret." Ethan's mouth moved by itself. "I took money from my mom's purse." He couldn't stop. He hated saying it out loud. The driver smiled. "Good boy." Chapter 18. More secrets. The driver called next. Owen. Owen shook his head, but his mouth spoke. "I broke my dad's car mirror. I said it was my brother." Owen looked like he wanted to cry. Chapter 19. Noah's turn. Noah's mouth opened. "I read my sister's diary. I told my friends her secrets." Noah hid his face in his hands. Chapter 20. Liam's secret. Liam's eyes were wide with fear. "I stole candy from the store. I lied to my mom." He started crying. The bus passengers stared at them with white eyes. Chapter 21. The dark stop. The bus stopped. The woman stood up, walked out. The man in the suit followed. The tall figure hissed and left. Outside, only darkness. Chapter 22. The last ride. The driver said, "You paid your fare." Ethan asked, "Can we go home now?" The driver's eyes glowed. "Soon." Chapter 23. Back to the city. The bus turned. Street lights appeared again. Buildings, cars. They were back in their city. Owen said, "We're going home." Noah said, "Never taking the bus at night again." Chapter 24. Off the bus. The bus stopped near Ethan's street. The door opened. They ran out fast. When they turned back, the bus was gone. No sound, no lights. Chapter 25. Safe again. They stood under a street light. Liam asked, "Did that really happen?" Ethan held his friends close. "Yes, but we're okay. We're together."
Ending. What did they learn? The night bus teaches us, be careful where you go at night. Secrets can follow you anywhere. True friends stay with you in scary times. Always tell the truth before the truth finds you. Thank you for listening to The Night Bus. Use this story to practice easy English, learn new words, and remember, some rides are better missed.